In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mass airflow sensor on your Hummer H3 located on the air intake tube. With the hood open, you're going to locate the battery on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Here is the ground terminal. I'm going to go ahead and use our 13mm wrench, loosen the nut. Give that a little twist and wiggle that off. You're going to locate your mass airflow sensor right here. It's attached to the air filter box. Let's go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector right here. You're going to push in on this little tab and give it a little wiggle and pull up on it. Never pull on the wires. Next, what we're going to do is use a T20 Torx bit to loosen and remove these screws. We will be reusing these screws, so do not lose those. Now you want to grab that and gently lift it up and out. Go ahead and take the sensor, line that up, and insert that into the air intake tube. Go ahead and get your screws started. Once you have those started, go ahead and snug them down. Now you're going to be snugging down plastic, so you don't have to put a lot of pressure on this here. Once those screws bottom out, you're pretty much good to go. All right, that's seated. Go ahead and do the same for this one. Now that you've connected the connector, go ahead and reconnect your battery. Now if you have any check engine lights on the inside of the vehicle, go ahead and hook up your scan tool, clear those codes. After that, you can go ahead and go for a road test. Install the ground terminal. Twist that down as far as it'll go. And go ahead and snug down that nut. Now in tightening this here, you want to make sure it's good and snug. You don't want to over tighten, as that sometimes you can snap these ends here. So give this terminal a good wiggle, make sure it's good and firm. If it moves at all, just snug it down a little bit more. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.